very hard to guarantee that the next patient or two patients will have the same degree of transfusion independence and freedom from anemia. We certainly hope so. And what we can guarantee is that really every step of this program, from Dr. Segovia designing the vector and to the development of the way the protocol was written with all of the clinical team, to all of the things that the people responsible for taking care of the cells, all of that we can guarantee that the maximum amount of thought and care goes into every patient's treatment and to the overall design of the program, with the hope of maximizing the potential for benefit and minimizing the time that anyone is in harm's way. That is guaranteed.
Thank you, Dr. Schwartz. And with that, actually, there's a question that has come in that's sort of related, and that is future. So are there any plans to treat non-transfusion dependent patients, and particularly those who even have hemoglobins below 9?
Right. So at present, the study for the adolescent patients and the adult patients, people are eligible even if they're not transfusion dependent, if they have hemoglobin levels that are at times below 8. Once we have a little bit more information about the safety and the effectiveness of the therapy, we might change that to something like the patients who don't require transfusions can have a hemoglobin below 9. So that will be modified. Obviously, I think one thing that I didn't emphasize earlier was that after this phase 1 study, if things continue to progress with the level of safety and efficacy that we've seen, we would open up a phase 2 study in which additional children, adolescents, and adults would be eligible. And likely that would include patients who would be transfusion dependent, or even those without transfusion dependence with other more severe manifestations of the disorder, including low hemoglobin or low energy. And that would likely become more